Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you so much for tuning in on this Monday afternoon. Looking in on our Luther Family Ford Skycam network this afternoon, we've got a mix of sunshine and clouds. We started off very sunny, but we've got a few clouds starting to filter in now at this hour. And you can see on satellite and radar, there are a couple areas where we're starting to see some cloud cover into the Devil's Lake Basin. Even a few minutes ago, noting some flurries at the Devil's Lake Airport. And we've got a few more clouds and perhaps a few flurries down towards the Sisseton and Watertown area of South Dakota. Right now in Fargo, we're at 23 degrees with those increasing clouds. The wind is out of the west at 13 miles per hour. Sunrise today was at 6:55. Sunset will be at 6:22. Grand Forks 19 degrees, still seeing some sunshine out there, looking like blue skies. Wind is out of the west at 9 miles per hour. We are mostly in the teens and 20s this afternoon, but Fosston still only holding on to 10 degrees right now, 12 in Hallock. It's 23 in Baudette and 26 out in the James River Valley. Now let's walk through your hour-by-hour forecast for this afternoon, as we'll continue to see that mix of sunshine and clouds throughout your afternoon with increasing clouds tonight. We will have just a little bit of a breeze, primarily out of the west today, with those temperatures holding in the 20s. Fosston, I'm sorry, the colder spot today as we go into the afternoon. Then this evening is when those changes start to take shape that we've been talking about, as a cold front will be moving in. And with that cold front, we're first going to note a wind shift. We've been seeing a westerly breeze today, but right ahead of that cold front, the wind will turn more southerly and it will become gusty as well. And watch what happens behind that cold front. Wind turns out of the northwest, and with that front as well, we could see some areas of some light snow. Now, it's not going to be widespread snow, but where the snow falls and combines with gusty winds, we could see very rapidly changing visibility, especially where we see that snow up in northwestern Minnesota, closer to the area of low pressure that will be up in Canada. But anywhere along this front is where we could see some of that light snow. So potential blowing snow is a concern as we head into the afternoon hours when that wind really picks up on Tuesday. We could see some gusts up to 40 miles per hour right through the heart of the valley here, perhaps a little gustier in portions of eastern North Dakota, just west of the valley. But again, anywhere where we see falling snow, which will be fairly isolated, is where we have that travel concern with the blowing snow potential. And from there, behind that front, temperatures are going to start to fall as well. So for this afternoon, enjoy those high temperatures in the 20s to some areas, a little closer to 30 degrees down towards Aberdeen. And it is still winter. Even though meteorological spring is in session, it sure doesn't feel like it, because the average high today in Fargo is 31. We're going to be below that for about the next 10 days. After Tuesday is when we really start to see those temperatures fall. 4 degrees Wednesday morning, but check out Thursday morning. That's going to be the coldest morning we've seen in a little bit, with wind chills as cold as 35 degrees below zero. Not quite as frigid Friday morning, but with the wind chills will also be a concern, with a high temperature only 8 degrees. And then JC, this weekend, temperatures start to recover, but also looking a bit more unsettled, just in time for daylight saving time when our sunsets get an hour later.
Just when we thought we were in the clear from the cold.
Never.